Hey guys, Full of Meerkats here, and today I will be reacting to RWBY Volume 6, Chapter 1, Argus Limited. So yeah, RWBY is back, my favorite show is back. I've been waiting for this moment for a year now. This was my first big hiatus. I mean, I started watching RWBY in 2017, so I've never waited this long for another RWBY chapter, and like I've been dying to see this volume, and it's finally here. Can you believe it? I am so hyped. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I'm just so excited. I don't know what to say. Okay, so up until now I've only seen the volume 6 trailer, and I also uploaded a reaction video for that too, so you guys know it as well. And like in that trailer we've seen some stuff from the, I assume from the first 2 chapters, and we know that the Team RWBY is trying to get the Relic of Knowledge to Atlas, and there's a long journey in front of them, and now they're trying to go there with this train, but that train is gonna crash. We know that because of the trailer. And then there's this old lady that we don't know who that is, but some people have been speculating that that woman could be like the human shape of that relic. I mean, we don't know those relics, what those relics are capable of, so that could be true. Like, she does look like Katara, and that's weird character from Star Wars, and I'm just so hyped. I'm wondering if we're gonna see her in this chapter or in the next one. And I also seen a Tumblr post about how Team RWBY were walking in the snow, like they were apart from each other, and someone compared that to how Team Juniper, actually not Juniper, Ruby, Jean, Nora, and Ren were walking with each other, like they were close, and they were laughing. But Team RWBY were walking apart from each other, and that person was saying that it's probably because of the conflict between them. I mean, they were separate from each other, and now they need to figure some stuff out, especially Yang and Blake, because you know about the stuff in volume 3, how Blake left her and how Yang lost her arm, and it's probably gonna affect all of them. And in that trailer we also seen something about Oscar, and the girls were looking terrified because of him. And I also seen a post about that, and someone saying that it might be because Ospin's memories are coming back to Oscar. I mean, we know that that's gonna happen, and Ospin said that it's a painful process. So in that scene, perhaps Oscar was in pain because Ospin's memories were coming back to him. I mean, I found it accurate, actually. I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's possible. Other than that, we know that Adam is gonna go insane, and he's gonna kill those White Fang members and whatnot. But anyways, I'm just so hyped for this chapter. I don't want to talk anymore. It's already 4 minutes and I'm not ready. Oh, another good thing. Rooster Teeth finally started putting captions on their videos. So I can finally watch this with English subtitles, which is like the best friends of non-native speakers. So I'm actually happy. So yeah, oh, hold on, let me check myself. Okay. So yeah, RWBY Volume 6, Chapter 1, Argus Limited, starts in 3, 2, I'm not ready, 1, and now. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. It's It's winter. Winter is here. Thankfully, this is not Game of Thrones. Holy shit! That grip looks so cool. Oh god, be careful, Ruby! Oh my god.
Thank me later.
This is great. They're fighting
Incoming.
as a team.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Good to see you're not rusty.
Oh my god, this is so great.
Why is it always something? Just keep it toward the back.
I love these team attacks. I love them. And I love this music. What? What is going on? Oh no, it's my internet connection. Shit, okay, I'm gonna... this is a problem. I'm so sorry because of my internet connection. I'm gonna watch it without the captions, with the episode that I downloaded on my PC. So, let's continue. 3, 2, 1, now. This is so cool. I love these team attacks. I miss them a lot.
He turned his back on us. He just...
Mercury left or something?
Step away from my throne. We have work to do.
We? Everyone knows what you did. You abandoned your brothers at Haven.
Step
Oh
away
shit, he's gonna kill
from
everyone.
my...
We are not taking orders from you anymore. We heard you folded the moment you got sass from the Belladonna girl. I guess she's got more control over you than you...
What?
Piece of shit. I hate this dude.
The Belladonna girl. Blake.
Shit. He lost his mind completely.
It's been 2 weeks since the attack on Haven. The official report states that the plot to destroy Mistral's CCT tower was thwarted by Gira Belladonna and the Faunus militia group from Menagerie. A huntsman and some students coincidentally visiting the headmaster were also able to lend some assistance.
Yes.
Unfortunately, Leonardo Lionheart lost his life while trying to defend his school, and those responsible for organizing the attack managed to escape. As I'm sure you can guess, there's a lot more to this report than I'm willing to say in this letter. But for now, what I'm trying to say is that we're on our way to Atlas, James. There's a good chance we'll get there before this letter does, but in case we don't,
So it's a letter for
I need
James.
you to know that we're bringing a lot more than bad news with us.
Yeah.
See you soon, Crow.
You're bringing the relic.
Hey, what's with the running?
Now what's with the standing? It's almost time!
No. She's so excited. Oh, look at that smile. She's so precious.
And? What an absolute waste of time.
What did you get me?
You'll
Oh,
have to wait and see. No fair.
I love them.
I can't believe we're taking the train to Argus. Beautiful northern coastline. You think it's too early for beach season?
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay.
Unfortunately. But we will be one step closer to Atlas.
Well, I'm glad you're all excited, but I don't think you appreciate the trouble I went through to leave Atlas.
No.
I know you're worried, Weiss, but trust us. Team RWBY won't leave your side for a second. I promise.
Please don't. Oh, I love them.
Gotta be worried with us around.
Who are you?
And
Look at their
you
faces. They're not
are,
impressed at all.
Why, Dee and Dudley, of course. The Argus Limited's very own huntsman. We'll
Oh.
be keeping everyone safe as we pass through grim territory.
But for a generous tip, we can make sure your passenger car gets extra special attention.
They
So
don't need your
things
help, dude.
get dangerous.
Ugh. Yes, exactly.
I got a tip for you.
Huh?
Buzz off. Looks like Mistral's really scraping the bottom of the barrel these days.
Hey,
I
you're
love him.
talking to a...
A professional huntsman, right. Well, it seems like one of you heroes left the staff entrance to the caboose wide open.
Huh?
Be ashamed to lose your job before it even started.
Wow.
I didn't do it.
Come on, dummy.
You are a dummy.
I do hope those weren't Beacon graduates.
No. Sometimes the burden of saving the world feels overwhelming. But then people like that come along and make me grateful that it's our job and not theirs.
Yes. I
So,
also
you
agree.
kids ready to go? Bike all loaded up?
Yep, just waiting on Blake, as usual.
Oh god. As usual.
I still don't feel like I deserve the freedom you and your family
She
granted
looks so
me.
cute.
Well, you're going to have to get over it, Ilya. Saving Haven had a huge impact on how Faunus are seen in Mistral. Now it's up to you all to take the progress and keep running with it.
Yes,
Great.
this is so great.
The White Fang may have been a failure, but with your father starting up a new movement, I've got more faith than ever before.
She looks so great with those outfits.
Thank you, Blake,
Oh!
for everything. I wish you didn't have to go. I know, but my team needs me. We're going to track down the people responsible for the attack on Haven and the fall of Beacon. Always trying to save the world. More than you realize. Hey, I knew your parents already saw you off, but where's...
Son? Oh, he's right here.
Okay.
What? You didn't think I was gonna miss your big send-off, did you?
He definitely overslept
Oh.
and absolutely almost missed this.
Neptune is also here.
Hey, Blake.
It's been a while.
Would you hurry up? Need I remind you, we have our own trip to plan.
So they're leaving.
Oh.
Both Ilya, Sun, and
I
Neptune.
didn't
They're all
know Ilya
going.
was gonna be here.
Oh, look at her.
I'll give you two a moment.
She's so awkward.
Hey, almost didn't see you there. Cause you know the camouflage.
Wrong tree.
He'll figure it out.
So you're really going to Vacuo?
That's right.
Mm.
Seeing you reunited with the rest of Team RWBY really made me realize something. I'm
You
like
have
the
your
worst
own team.
leader ever. Me and the
Yes!
boys
Good
were cool
morning.
a little hiatus, but we gotta make up for lost time. Shade Academy's not dealing with any problems like Haven right now. Plus, that means I can show the guys around my old stomping grounds.
I have to admit, I think I was kind of getting used to having you around.
I go where I'm needed.
Wow.
And you don't need me anymore.
No.
Well, when you say it like that, it sounds sad.
Look, despite the drama and the fighting and the numerous attempts on my life, I had a lot of fun. But you're with who you're supposed to be now.
Son, I don't think I'll ever be able to thank you enough. I'm still,
You're still working a lot of things out. I know. But you can do it with them. And
Yeah, they're good
in the
friends.
future, who knows? I've got a feeling you haven't seen the last of me.
I'm sure we're gonna see it,
I
Black Hero.
certainly hope not.
Oh, okay. I wasn't expecting that.
I don't know, man. It feels like you're just letting her go.
It was never about that, Brainiac. Besides, now that your leader's back and hardened from battle, I've got to focus all of my time into getting you boys ready for the wastelands.
You should. He's trying. Here's that old lady, and then we're gonna see the Grim attack, and oh, look at them, they're in the same room. Like they were in Beacon, in their bunk beds. She's looking for motorcycles. That's so young.
Alright, girls, I think it's time for an official team exercise. Who wants to play video games?
What's
I
wrong?
mean, if you want me to kick your butt, yeah, sure. Let me grab my scroll. Here, let me help you with that.
Oh.
Blake, you don't have to do that.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm fine. We're gonna be fine. It's just gonna be a bit before things are back to normal. But I am glad we're all back together.
Oh. Oh my god, this is so cute.
Yeah. Okay.
How touching.
Oh, hey, Uncle Crow. You want to play too?
Of course he's drinking.
Kick your butts? Sure.
What was that?
Okay, so
Exactly what it sounds like.
the
Just
Grim
my luck.
attack.
It's not yours. Grab your weapons.
It's Crow's luck, huh? Holy shit, 5 Grims, 5 big Grims. I can't remember their names. Holy shit, they look so freaking cool. I love these Grim. That's an interesting weapon. Holy shit. Oh fuck.
What's the plan, Ruby?
Don't let
anyone else die. Yes! Let's see how that will go. Be careful, Oscar.
Shall I?
No, I'm keeping control.
What's going on?
At least this time, Austin was asking. Nice! We finally see the sight.
Come on.
Good decision. Oh god. Nice!
Ah, yes.
Cool. But it's not affecting him? Oh shit. That's bad.
Hey, what are you doing?
Why is it always something?
How can I help?
You
Oh,
can
the
get
relic
that
is there.
idiot to shut off the turrets. They're just drawing the Grim toward the passengers.
Right. Stop! You've got to shut the turrets off.
Are you crazy? No way! Yes! Another one down.
Stop!
Dude.
You have to lure the Grim to the back.
What does it matter if they're dead?
Oh god.
Where are they going?
Tunnel!
Huh?
Okay. Oh god! I wasn't expecting that. His arm is still there.
Turn those damn things off.
Those things are keeping us alive.
Us, sure, but they're putting the passengers.
In charge here.
Not exactly reassured. Take it easy, right? You're just trying.
Get off me!
Look, if you bozos had been doing your job instead of shaking down passengers, maybe we wouldn't be in this.
Let's see what she's gonna say.
Please just shut off the turrets.
Trust us. We know what we're doing.
Nice. That must be convincing.
Fine.
Ren, could you use your semblance to mask everyone on this train? With the guns off and emotions
Can he?
they might lose track of us.
I've never attempted to affect this many people.
Well, you've never had Jean's help before. You could amplify your aura.
Oh.
That's an alright plan.
May I?
It really is.
I'm worried, Ren. You can totally do this.
I'm afraid there's one complication. Grimm are also attracted to this.
Okay.
None of your business. Oz, are you serious?
Why wouldn't you tell us that?
Exactly.
It doesn't matter right now.
She's also right.
Every second we're on board this train, we're putting everyone else in danger.
True.
Get the passengers to the front cars. You'll still mask the emotions and kill the turrets.
There you go, Ruby.
We just can't come with you. If we cut the back cars with us and the relic on them, we can deal with the Grimm. You just make sure the rest of the train makes it safely to Argus.
Yang is angry. Because of
Only if
Allspan.
you'll promise you'll meet us there.
Promise.
I don't think they're gonna keep it because they were separated in the trailer. And who are you, old lady? Nice music. Oh, just like in the Black Trade. Holy shit, is that Adam? Oh, she's seeing things. Oh. What is the song? You got new music. That's awesome. That is so awesome. Holy shit! Yeah, you're so fucking strong. Nice. That's amazing. Now they don't have much power since they're not sensing negative emotions. That is so awesome. Bumblebee! Oh! Oh, he didn't want to... Oh, okay. I misunderstood that part. That's awesome! They're working together again. Holy shit. That is so cool. Nice. This is so cool! I love this fight. Oh my god, what an episode. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. For a second there, I forgot that the train is going to crash.
Is everyone okay?
I'm fine. Yeah.
Still alive.
Who are you?
That sure was a close one, huh?
It what? Oh, come on! No! Really? Okay, this is the opening! Okay! Okay? Okay. Who are you? Who are you? Seriously. Wait, was that Roman's head? Holy shit! So much things is happening. Okay. And who are you? Oh! Allspin's past. Wow, that was intense. Holy shit! Holy shit, okay. Holy shit! Are you gonna get the old lady's name in the credits? I couldn't see it. Holy shit! Ruby's actually back. Okay, this chapter was... It was amazing. I'm just gonna wait until the music ends. Okay, it's over. Holy shit, guys. This chapter was amazing. Amazing. That fight was great. I mean, Ruby's actually back and I can't believe that. It's real. You know, it is real, like Ruby's actually back. And our girls are together. They're doing those team attacks and oh, they're going to Atlas and so much stuff is happening. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna talk about this. Like, should I start from the opening or should I just keep going from the beginning of the episode? Okay, I just want to say one thing, that in the opening, when that character with the hoodie showed up, there was a hat that flew by, and I think that's Roman's hat. I am so not sure. I just thought that it was Roman's hat. If that's true, that could be Neo. That's just speculation, but oh my goodness. Okay, let's start from the beginning of the episode. So, we were in the train, and now we see some really cool team attacks, and then Team Juniper arrived, and after that we see how crazy Adam got. Like, he wants revenge from Blake because everyone knows that Blake had an effect on him. That's why White Fang didn't accept him. I mean, of course, and he ran away and left his comrades there in Volume 4. So of course they didn't want him to lead the White Fang, and he lost his shit. I mean, that dude is already crazy as fuck. So, well, now he's crazier than ever, and he's after Blake and Yang. And then we've seen Crow's letter to James. So apparently he wrote him a letter to let him know that they're coming to Atlas. I mean, he didn't specifically say that they have the relic, obviously. And one thing that took my interest in the scene is that he didn't say that Leo was with the enemy. I mean, he didn't say that Leo was working with Salem. Instead, he said Leo died while trying to defend the school, which was that was so sweet of Crow. And then we've seen some scenes, some cute scenes between Team Juniper and Team RWBY, and like Blake wasn't there, and Vice made that comment as to like, of course we were waiting Blake or something like that, which was kind of, it was true. I mean, and RWBY promised Vice that they're not gonna leave her alone in Atlas, so she doesn't have to be scared. It was so cute. And of course Blake was busy with saying goodbyes to Ilya and Sun, and that scene melted my heart. I mean, look at them. Look at Ilya. Ilya's outfit is so great. She's so cute, and she's gonna work with Gira and the others. It was an adorable scene. She said that his father is starting a new movement and she's gonna work on that movement, and I'm so excited for that. And look at this scene. I mean, I died. Oh, I just want to watch it again. They're so cute. Aw, it was such a great scene. And then Sun came around and they said goodbyes. Blake was so used to Sun. Sun helped Blake. And I think it makes sense that both Ilya and Sun's to leave. I mean, their arc is actually over for now. I mean, they had purposes in the show, and now it's over for both Ilya and Sun, but I'm sure we're gonna see both of them again, especially Ilya. I just want to see her because she's one of my favorites. And I'm pretty sure that we're gonna see Sun when we go to Vacchio. I mean, at first we were at Whale, then we were at Mistral, then we're going to Atlas, and then we're gonna go to Vacchio, and I'm sure we're gonna see Sun there, but I'm assuming it's gonna take some time, so it might be hard for some fans in the fandom. I mean, Sun is a lot of people's favorites, I know that. I mean, he's not one of my favorites, but I know that a lot of people love Sun, but I don't think he's gonna be around for a while, so we better get used to it. And it's gonna be hard for me because Ilya is not around anymore. Anyways. Then Neptune showed up, and Blake kissed Sun's cheek. To me, it was like a friendly thing to say goodbye. And while Sun and Neptune were talking after they leave, Neptune was like, I feel like you're leaving her alone, but I think Sun understands that she doesn't need him in a way. I mean, she has his team now, and he's aware of that, and that's why he's leaving. And now we get this scene. Blake was really sad, and it's just like they're in Beacon again in their bunk beds, and it's awkward. This scene was really interesting. I mean, Yang was trying to reach her back, and Blake wanted to help her. Like, she's feeling so guilty because she left and Yang lost her arm, and now she doesn't know how to act around her. And Yang is aware of that. Weiss is aware of that. If you noticed, Weiss was also looking at them. See? This... And Weiss and RWBY are looking at each other like, I hope, what are they doing? I hope they will be okay and whatnot. I mean, Weiss and Ruby are fine. I'm sure they're gonna be like they used to in a short time, but it's not the same with Yang and Blake because things are not okay with them. I mean, they didn't talked about what's happened in Beacon. Yang was so sad. She fell into depression. She went through a lot of things, but she didn't talk about them. I mean, she was so sad because of Blake. We've seen that in Volume 5, especially in Volume 5, Chapter 8, when she started talking about it. I mean, she needed Blake, but she wasn't there.
No one blamed her for anything. If she had just talked to us, she would have known that. How could I be there for her if she doesn't let me? What if I needed her here for me?
Oh my god!
I know it's
Oh
not
my
easy.
god.
I wish she hadn't left too.
I'm not gonna cry in a freaking video, I'm not.
What we can do now is be there for her when she's ready. When she comes back.
If she comes back.
Oh my fucking god. I'm not gonna cry. And I'm sure Blake knows that in a way. And another thing is, Blake didn't know. I mean, Blake probably still don't know that Yang was alone while she weren't around. Like, neither Ruby or Weiss were there as well, so she was all alone, and I'm sure she's gonna figure it out. I'm sure they're gonna talk about this in the next chapters, and just look at them. Yeah. They're not normal around, no. She's glad. Just look at the sunshine. She's glad that the team is back together. She's glad that Blake returned because she needs her. To me, she's in love with her. Yang is in love with Blake. That's what I'm thinking, and now she's back. See, look at those ears, and now she's here, she's happy. And this scene is just so adorable. This is great. They're just assuring her that things are gonna be fine between them. And this is such a great scene. No, look at that smile. Yeah. Okay, and then the Grim attack happened. We've seen some really cool moves. We finally seen the team attacks again. We finally seen Crow's Sight after all these volumes, and then this idiot. And then that old lady showed up. This lady, like, who is she? And we left with a cliffhanger, so we don't know who she is. But in the opening, there was that scene where they first showed this old lady and then Ruby's eyes. So I'm assuming this lady has something to do with Silver Eyes. Perhaps she's a Silverite warrior. Perhaps she's the only Silverite warrior except Ruby in all of the kingdom. I mean, I just thought about that, and I think that might be true. Okay, I bet that woman is a Silverite warrior. I don't know if it's true or not, but we'll see in the next chapters. Okay, and then the train crashed. We've seen some great team attacks again from Team Ruby and Team Juniper. And then the opening. Okay, oh, these Grims. These Grims were so great. I love them. They look amazing. They look so good. They're great. Anyways, I'm just gonna go back to the opening because I want to watch it again. I'm gonna pause the frames to understand it better. Okay, so the opening. I'm afraid I can't understand the lyrics now. I have to check them later. Okay, so... Oh, look, it's Ren and Nora. I love Renora. and Jean is there, and they're sweet. This scene here is important because it shows how things are not okay with Blake and Yang, but it's okay with Ruby and Wise, and then we're gonna get this image of Adam. Things are not okay between them because of Adam, and we can clearly see that from the opening. And we already seen that in chapter 1. And I was talking about this scene, just look at it, and then her eyes. So I'm assuming that woman could be a Silverite warrior. Okay, this scene is also interesting. I mean, some grim arms are taking Crow. Perhaps it's a metaphor about his drinking habits. Who knows? And they're also trying to get... Okay, this hooded person, who is she? Here it is. Here is the hat. I mean, this looks like a woman, and I feel like that hat belongs to, I mean, Roman Torchwick. So I'm thinking that this could be Neo, because we've never seen her actually died, and if something like that happens in shows, they're probably not dead. Like Cinder, I don't think she's dead. We've seen a figure just like her in the volume 6 posters, so I feel like this could be Neo. And then Adam. Okay, Adam, you douchebag. And the others, I can't wait to see Tyrion's new tail. I just can't wait to see Tyrion. He's an interesting character. He's definitely crazy, and I love him. He's a great villain. I also love Hazel. Hazel is also really interesting. And Cinder and Mercury. Okay, we didn't see Mercury in the trailer, but I think he's still in this volume. And look at Emerald's expression. She's very sad because of what happened with Cinder, and I feel like we might see them in chapter 2. I mean, they did the same thing in volume 5. The second chapter was dedicated to the villains, so we might see the same thing again in the season. Okay, they're all here. Team Witch is here, and Salem. Okay. And who is this person? Okay, so I feel like this might related to Ospin's past, maybe. And that statue looks like Ospin, I'm not so sure. But I feel like the next scene, this scene, these are Ospin's past lives, like in Avatar Last Airbender. Aang and Korra were able to connect to their past lives, and I guess we're gonna see some memories of these guys. And they're basically Ospin's past. Ospin was the last one before Oscar, and now Oscar is going to start seeing these people's memories, and we're gonna witness that. Actually, I'm really excited about this because we'll finally learn more things about Ospin. And we don't know anything about this dude. And there's a lot of things to cover with Ospin. And I feel like there is another circle, like in Avatar Last Airbender. I mean, in Avatar, with every generation, Avatar was reincarnated to a different nation. Like, first with Fire Nation, then I don't remember the exact order, but then Water Tribes, and then Air Nation, and then Earth. I don't remember what it was called in Earth. Anyways, so there was a circle, and I feel like the same thing is happening with Ospin. Like, Ospin was from Whale, and Oscar is from Mistral, and this dude, the second dude, is like he's from Atlas, and probably the other one is from Vacuos. So I feel like there's a circle in here, just like in Avatar: Last Airbender. Oh, poor Oscar. This might be. I mean, this must be so much for him. Seriously, there's just. Oh, it must be too much. I'm just sad about Oscar. He's just a kid. And Jean is angry. Still angry. I mean, look at this. He's blaming Ozpin for Pierre's death. Obviously, I mean, it was his fault. So I don't blame him, but that's Oscar. Like, he doesn't deserve this. And here's that person again. Oh, wait! Wait. Do you see her hands? It's like a monster hands, like... Oh, okay. Is that Cinder? Okay, that could be Cinder. And here they are. Oh, I love this. I love this. Okay, this opening was great. I mean, I'm just so hyped for this volume. There's a lot of stuff waiting for us, and I don't know if I have anything else to say at this point. I mean, it's been already 55 minutes. This is going to be an hour-long video. It's gonna be painful to edit and upload it, but anything for you guys. Okay, this was great. RWBY is officially back, and I can't wait to watch the other episodes of it. Like, this is gonna be great. Our girls are back together, and I'm so excited about this volume because of some certain things. The relationship between Blake and Yang is one of them, and I'm so curious about what's gonna happen with them and about Adam's arc. And I'm just, there are a lot of things that I'm excited about. Like, I want to learn more about Ozpin, and I want to learn more about Silver Eyes, the Maidens, Relic's purpose, and I just want to see more of World of Remnants. Like, I'm in love with this world, just like I was in love with Avatar: The Last Airbender and Allegasia from Aragon's series. I don't know if you know about them. It's a book series. And like in Middle-earth, I'm in love with this world, and I can't wait to learn more about it. I can't wait to see more characters, more places. I'm just so excited, and well, thank you if you were able to like watch all of this video and come up until this point, because I've been blabbering for way too long. So thank you. I was just rambling, seriously. But I think that's it. I don't have anything else to say at this point, and I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. And yeah, I can't wait to watch RWBY with you guys. So yeah, I think that's it for today. So this was my RWBY Volume 6 Chapter 1 reaction. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.